What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you some secret hidden WhatsApp tricks that nobody knows about. And guys, if you know these tricks, I want you to go ahead and let me know in the comments below, and if you don't know them, go ahead and give this video a like. Right, so go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application guys, click the three dots on the upper right hand side and then click on settings. And the first trick I'm going to show you guys is just simple. Go ahead and tap on privacy. Now, once you're inside privacy, guys, you want to scroll all the way down to where you find app lock. So once you tap on app lock and you go ahead and toggle this on, it will ask you to use your fingerprint. Now, once you enable your fingerprint, this is going to lock your WhatsApp. So whenever you open up WhatsApp, you have to use your fingerprint to open the application. So if someone have your phone and they somehow manage to unlock your phone, they're not able to access your WhatsApp without your fingerprint. They will have to cut off your finger, guys, and have your finger in your pocket in order to be able to open up your WhatsApp. So you can use your fingerprint to unlock your WhatsApp application. How amazing is that? Now, this next one, guys, that I want to share with you is also within privacy. So if you go back to privacy and you scroll down, you have the chat lock. So you're able to lock a chat within WhatsApp. So you can easily go ahead and do that, guys, and I'm going to show you how easy to do it. So what you want to do, go ahead and find a chat, guys, a chat group or whatever you have, and once you click and hold on that chat, then click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and from here you will see lock chat. So simple tap on lock chat, and then you want to click continue, use your fingerprint, and that will lock the chat. So you're not able to find the chat. If someone open up your chat, they're not able to find the chat within your app. Now, in order to unlock this chat, guys, from within the chat, all you have to do, just simple go ahead and tap on lock chat, put your fingerprint there, and you want to simple go ahead and open that chat. Now, once you find the chat, you just simple click and hold on the chat, and you simply need to click the three dots on the upper right hand side. Then click on unlock chat, put your fingerprint, and that chat will be unlocked. So once you go back to your chat, scroll on, you will be able to find the chat again. Right, so there's two tricks, guys, how to lock your WhatsApp using your fingerprint, and also how to lock chats. And the third trick, guys, that I want to share with you is how to turn off internet or disable WhatsApp from internet connection. So click the three dots on the upper right hand side and click on settings. Right, from here, guys, you want to scroll all the way down to storage and data and click on proxy. Click set up proxy and put in whatever number you want. You can put 1.1.1.1 or 2.2 or whatever you want. You will try to click the green check mark there at the bottom. It will not connect, but it will not allow you to save it, but simple go ahead and click back. Now once you click back, as you can see, it is trying to connect. It says connecting. So when you go back to your WhatsApp, guys, open up whatever you want. You can try to type and send a message to anyone, and if you type whatever and click send, it will just stuck in connecting. It will not send because your WhatsApp no longer have connection. So that's because it is now saying connecting because of that proxy. However, if you want to give back your WhatsApp connection, just simply go back to the proxy settings here, guys, and you can simply turn it off or remove it. Now once you go back to your WhatsApp, guys, all you have to do is just try again to send the message, and you will realize that your WhatsApp is now able to send message. And that's all there is to it, guys. Really hope that you found these tricks useful. As I said, if you know these tricks, go ahead, let me know in the comments below, and also share some of your tricks if you know something as well. And if you don't, give this video a like, and see you next time.